Hey guys, it's Isabella. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something really important. This is super important if you are an Uber driver, but Uber is actually ending their gas-related surcharge that they started earlier on this month. So in the month of June, they are going to be ending this gas-related surcharge. Now, before we get into the video, if you would like to sign up to be a Lyft driver, we have a sign-up link in the description where you can get a bonus of up to $1,000 guaranteed. And if you haven't heard of Play OCTOPUS and you're a rideshare driver, this is definitely something you want to check out. We have a link in the description for this as well, but they basically give you a HD tablet that you can put in your car to entertain your passengers. And what's cool about this is that you also get money because they have like play to earn games on there, they can run advertisements on there, so you can actually make like up to an extra $500 a month or possibly more, so you definitely want to check that out. Anyways, let's get into the video. So I'm sure you guys are all aware that Uber prices have spiked up. They are so expensive now, and this is because the gas prices have also gone up a ton due to the fact that Russia is not exporting to many of the countries anymore, which they were exporting a lot of gas, oil and gas to the United States, and this is because they are invading Ukraine. So the US is standing with Ukraine, and this is creating conflict with Russia, so the US is not accepting Russian exports anymore. That is part of the reason why gas prices have risen so much in such a short period of time. Alright, so if you didn't know this, Uber was actually trying to accommodate their drivers by charging an extra, I think 55 cents that would go directly to the driver and 45 cents for delivery drivers. So the customers will be paying more, but Uber has actually decided that this summer, actually beginning June 15th, which is really soon, they are going to discontinue the fuel surcharge for delivery drivers. So they're keeping the one for regular drivers right now, but if you're a delivery driver, you won't be getting that extra fee to compensate for these gas prices. So DoorDash also ended their little bonus for drivers that they had implemented due to the rise in gas prices. So they were giving drivers an extra $5 a week if they traveled over 100 miles. But they actually ended that in May, so pretty recently. But DoorDash actually made another gas relief program within their app where they can actually use a prepaid Visa debit card and get 10% cash back when they pay for gas. This is going to continue until the end of August. So it's unfortunate that companies are starting to be a little bit less accommodating to the change in gas prices for you guys, but it might be a good time to start looking into regular rideshare driving if you're willing to have passengers in your car. Just something to think about. I don't know, well, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you think that they should extend these programs to keep helping delivery drivers, or maybe implement something more, give more money? Or do you think they should also take this away for all drivers, not just delivery drivers? Well, if you want to find out more in the future and you want to see more videos from us, be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!